Musicall.
It's time to learn. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. Teacher, what are we going to learn today?
In today's episode, we'll be looking at accidentals. Here's how the accidentals look like when they are placed on the music stave. Remember, the accidentals must be placed accurately on the left side of the note head.
Okie dokie.
These are the common accidentals that we have learned in the previous series of Theory of Music.
Sharp, flat, and natural.
Good job, Ruby! You remember them. Let's do a quick recap. The accidental sharp is to raise a semitone in pitch. Let's take C and D for example. We raise them by a semitone. Now C becomes C sharp and D becomes D sharp. An accidental flat is to lower a semitone in pitch. Let's take G, A and B for example. We lower them by a semitone and we have G flat, A flat and B flat.
Teacher, how about natural?
The natural accidental is used to cancel the previous accidental from either a preceding note or the key signature. Let's use these existing sharp and flat notes as examples. To cancel the previous accidentals and return to the original notes, C sharp and D sharp become C natural and D natural. G flat, A flat and B flat become G natural, A natural and B natural.
Alright, teacher.
Now, moving on to the new accidentals, the double flat and double sharp.
Double flat and double sharp.
Yes, Ruby. Let's begin with double sharp. A double sharp raises a note by 2 semitones. Take the C note as an example. We raise it by 2 semitones. 1, 2. C, C sharp, C double sharp. And this is how it is written on the music stave. Next, the double flat. A double flat lowers a note by 2 semitones. Let's take E as an example. We lower it by 2 semitones. 1, 2. E, E flat, E double flat. And this is how it is written on the music stave.
Okie dokie.
Now, let's have a look at the notation of accidentals. Take this example for instance. It's in C major and we have a B double flat in this bar. All you have to do is remember these 3 rules. Rule number 1. The accidental applies to the same note within the bar. This is the same note, hence this is also B double flat. But with this exception of rule number 2. Rule number 2. When the note is an octave higher or lower, the note remains in the original pitch. In this case, B is a B natural. Rule number 3. The accidentals do not affect the next bar. In the next bar, there's another B here. Hence, it will be a B natural. So far so good, Ruby?
Yep.
However, here's a special case that we need to take note of. Tie notes with accidentals. Remember this, the accidentals follow the total duration of the tie notes. Look at this example. The B flat here is tied to the first note of the next bar. So the flat also applies together with the tie. Therefore, the total duration for this B flat is
2 crotchet beats.
Well done, Ruby! Up until here, the rule number 3 still applies where the accidentals do not affect the next bar. Hence, the B note here is a B natural.
Roger that.
Let's recap. Take a look at this table. A sharp is to raise a note by a semitone. A flat is to lower a note by a semitone. A natural is to cancel the sharp or flat of the note. A double sharp is to raise the note by 2 semitones. And lastly, a double flat is to lower the note by
2 semitones.
Good job, Ruby! Thank you so much for watching this episode. We hope you had fun learning about accidentals. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click on the little bell to receive notification on our latest posts.
See